In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and join the Ink Game Discord server here on your mobile device. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Discord and Roblox content. We'd greatly appreciate it. But the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually get onto the Discord app and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the server screen where you're going to find this little plus icon. Go ahead and select that plus icon and it's going to pull up this screen right here. Down at the bottom of this page, just hit join a server and it's going to take you to a page like this. Now I know it says you need an invite link. You don't actually need an invite link. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in the following. Just type in Ink Game, just like so, all lowercase, no spaces, exactly like this, and then hit join with invite link. And as you can see, it's going to pull up the official Ink Game Roblox game Discord server. Oh my gosh, that was a whole mouthful. But yeah, obviously once it does load, go ahead and hit accept invite. And then you'll be able to customize your experience and finally accept the rules of the server, and that's it. You're now going to be in the official in-game Discord server. If this video did help, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick Discord guides just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.